Alright guys, welcome to Catapult Carnage. I'm Chris and today we've got an exciting one. I've been waiting on this a long time. It is my cast aluminium Titans from ProShot UK. You remember the video I done where I made something like this, oversized oak fork? Well, if you follow me on Instagram you'll have seen I spent a lot of time and made a super nice ergo beach Titan. And the postman brought this morning about 11 o'clock and I have held off because I want to share this with you guys. This is the first time I'm going to have laid eyes on the casts. You can tell I don't do very many unboxings. Oh, that's us, we're in now. Right guys, so we ready? Let's see what we got here. Oh my goodness. They're well packaged. I cannot tell you, I cannot express how excited I am for this moment. I shared the pictures with you guys online. Pete sent me photographs on my Instagram. But this is the first time I'm going to lay eyes on and hold the finished product. I obviously made the master copy by hand out of an oversized fork. I'll link the Instagram post below. But it was one of the best, if not the most comfortable frame I ever made. So let's stop talking, Chris, and let's see the catapults. So Pete, oh my god, I don't even wanna. Oh man, what an outstanding job. Before I smudge it up, I'm sorry, before I smudge it up too much. Right, so we got this boy all banded up. I am so thrilled with this, guys, so thrilled. I just want to show you the side profile of that. Like, this thing is like a glove. Ambidextrous, canted frame. Let me just see if we can. This is the first time I'm going to be. This is the first time I'm going to be drawing the bands on it. Oh yeah. Oh Pete, outstanding. I'm really trying not to swear here. This guys is fantastic. I could not be happier. Smashing job with my logo. Killian Sexton designed that logo for me. If any of you guys are interested in getting a logo made, but you know, I'm super thrilled with this. Oh yeah. So it is, can you see out the windows? It's dark out. What do you guys think of my new audio? did anybody even notice my expensive microphone? I've been filming with it for a while. But yeah, let's one more sleep and then we can shoot this tomorrow. I'm actually going to have a few shots out the door in the dark, just at nothing, because I want to let them go. But man, I'm happy with this. I am so happy with this. This thing is awesome. Awesome. Alright guys, I got some work to do. Got some catapults to make. So, hair in my mouth. I'm going to fondle this for a while more. I'm going to finish my work. I'm going to go to bed and I'll see you guys in the morning and we'll do a few shots with this bad boy. Right guys, so let's have a few shots. I've got another camera set up down range. I'm going to do a split screen, so we'll just go and turn that on now. We'll come back, we'll have a few shots with me beautiful new ProShot catapult. Bear with me. This thing holds beautiful, guys. Show you from this angle. Try to. Hopefully I'm in shot. Okay guys, so we've had our look at the new Catapult. And I just want to now take this time to show you the workshop. A few guys asked me about the workshop, so we'll take a little look around. It looks bigger in the pictures because I'm recording, or I've took the photos like wide angle to try and get everything in one picture, but it's not that big. So we've got 10 foot by 8 foot, right? I've got my 2 benches, which is 8 foot by 2 foot wide, here and here. So we'll start off on this side. I've got this, bought this brand new SAP 8-inch belt and disc sander, 260 quid, really good job. Bought myself a couple of drills, my bobbin sander, I've had it for years. My little impact driver, it's new. I bought this 500 watt Sealy polisher, and I was using this little thing from, I bought this from the polishingshop.co.uk, which is a good shop, good online store for all that type of thing. I got this years ago, like 2 or 3 years ago, for 60 quid or something. And it's done, it served me proud. That light's kind of annoying. Yeah, it served me proud, but time for an upgrade, I think. And I was asking too much of it, like it was heating up a lot, and it didn't like the work I was putting it through. Although it's still going, it still works. Put a vise on the corner. Believe it or not, this is the first vise I ever owned in my life. It's a little Jefferson 4-inch vise. Does me lovely. I bought this new Draper Storm Force drill, and I'm gonna tell you guys something which would have helped me. I had this drill here on the floor drill press. This one here, which is the cheap Titan one from Screwfix. It done the job okay, but it's a 500 watt drill, right? This is where the confusion for me came in. 500 watt drill, you would assume wattage, more wattage equals more power. It's not the case, because then there's like the efficiency of the motor, and it's actually quite a poor design, that drill. Yeah, it's 500 watt, but there's more speeds in it, but you've no way to tension your belts, or the middle gear of the belt tensioner is it's like on a spring-loaded thing, so it's supposed to like an auto tension type job, but it's no good. You can stop the chuck with your hand. So whenever I was drilling my aluminium and brass, I had to go really slow, or the drill bit just would have stopped in the workpiece, which was terribly frustrating. This little drill press is a Draper Storm Force, really cool name. That's what sold it to me. 350 watt, and let me tell you guys, this drill is 10 times more powerful than that drill. It's got less speeds. One thing I would say about it is the thing that you use here to set the depth that you're allowed to cut, which is very useful if you're countersinking. It was attached to this like plastic collar of a thing that was the little flap down guard, which I don't want. I don't want that guard. It was like a big bulky thing on there, so whenever I took that off, it therefore, I don't want this to turn into a drill review, but I just thought I'd share this with you guys. It therefore then made this depth setter obsolete. Now I can still adjust my table for the depth, but the drill always goes down full depth now. Do you know what I mean? Whereas before you could set your little depth thing, it would only go so far. You didn't have to wheel to turn the thing right round. But anyway, great little drill, £105 out of a local shop, because I'm trying to buy local lately because this pandemic, Amazon and all them guys are making enough money, so that's my advice for the day. Buy local. I need to remember to look at that lens. I've had this bandsaw for ages, and I've messaged a few guys and asked them for recommendations on bandsaws. This is a Snap-Ek bandsaw, it's out of Screwfix as well. A 1490mm band on it, 58-inch band, cutting depth of 100mm. I'd like to upgrade, but I'd like to upgrade to another bench top bandsaw, because I've no room for floor standing in here without cutting down some of my benches. So if you guys had a recommendation on a bench top saw better than this, I'd love to hear it. This little guy in the corner, this is a Snap-Ek Linisher, 375 watt, and see these Velcro discs. See that one there's an 800 grit. These little 6-inch Velcro discs, there's a little hack for you. You can do a lot with these, and you can do a lot with them 6-inch disc sanders. They've got a Velcro back, so it's like it provides a little bit of padding behind the workpiece, and you can put a really good finish on it. Another little hack I use is, if you look closely at this, you'll see I've actually got a cable tie. When I loosen off the bolt here, instead of putting a sanding drum on, because sanding drums that you buy for a Linisher only go up to like 220 grit or something, what I do is I wrap one of these in a little cylinder. I slide it over my sanding drum, the rubber part, and then I slide the cable tie over that, tighten it up, and it doesn't move. So that's an improvised, any grit you like bobbin sander, and it really works well. I've been doing it a long time. It works really well. So that allows you for your flat sanding and your you know, radius sanding, curved sanding, if you like. And these discs, these 6-inch discs, go up to like 3000 grit or something. You know, you've got every single grit imaginable, whereas, for example, the ordinary bobbin sander drums only go to 220. The Linisher belts, these Linisher belts go to 400, and the big, sorry guys, this is a bit higgledy-piggledy, but I just want to show you guys my workshop. The big disc on this one is a self-adhesive. It's a self-adhesive steel back. So even if it was, they only go to 400 grit as well, but even if it did go to high grit, because it's my work especially is like metal on metal, there's vibration through the workpiece. So, but there's a place for that, you know, them lower grit sanding, more powerful. It is a great tool. A great tool. And a guy recommended me, an engineer recommended me, he says if you're buying tools, buy SIP or Sealy or something like that. He told me to stay away from Screwfix. Although this Shep-Ak, that's what it is. This Shep-Ak bandsaw is, you know what, I've put it through its paces, like, you know, I've abused it, like really abused it, and it still goes. But the blade guides aren't good on it. So guys, I love you all. Thank you for watching my boring videos. And Here's to a better 2021. Oh yeah, I forgot to say. The catapults. If you've watched this long, guess what? You're into the giveaway. I'm going to give one of these away. One of these. Because Pete sent me extras. And I love my loyal viewers, that's why I've waited until now to say it. So, to enter, leave me a comment, whatever you want, and put Merry Christmas at the end. Merry Christmas 2020. So leave me a comment and then put Merry Christmas 2020 at the bottom. And that Merry Christmas 2020 is the key to the entry. And I'm going to give one of these away to one of my loyal viewers who have watched to the end. And then hopefully that'll confuse the rest of the guys that haven't watched to the end. Because they'll just think, oh, them's nice people wishing him a Merry Christmas 2020. But it's actually a secret loyal viewer giveaway. So, without further ado, let's end this video because I'm talking nonsense now. I really appreciate you guys. What a year it's been. What a year it's been. What a year it's been. YouTube's doing good though. I'm really happy with my YouTube. And that's because of you guys watching, liking and commenting and doing all that other stuff. I really appreciate it. You guys have helped me out a lot. YouTube and Catapult Carnage as my little business has really sustained me this year. Like, honest to God, I do not know what I would have done if I had been relying on my work as a bricklayer this year. We would have been in trouble. So, you guys are the best. I really appreciate it. Thank you ever so much for watching. Merry Christmas. Happy New Year. Blah blah blah. See you next time. More videos coming soon. Yeah. Merry Christmas.
Cheers, mate. I love the... Remember I said to you at the start, I'm looking forward to the weight of them. I think they'll be real nice and...
Just see if you can get on with the 90mm now.
I'll work on it.
Killian! Killian! Hey, baby boy! Hi there!
I hear you.
Hi there, mister!
Give me a second.
You're a big boy rolling over now. Are you going to crawl? When are you going to crawl? You're a lovely boy.